Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 cutest girl hair combos and hair tutorial for Berry Avenue. So if you need to upgrade your Berry Avenue style, this is the ultimate video for the cutest girl hair combos you need to look adorable and trendy on the Avenue. Now let me show you the first hair combo. So first you can just head into body and click on hair. Now search for this hair in here, long sleek straight hair in ginger. Okay, I'm going to use this long hair in here. And the second one, you can head into clothing all and search for new side bangs in blonde combo. Okay, you can just choose the bangs that you like. Let's try this one in here, or maybe this one. Okay, I'm going to use this one. So this is the first hair combo. Now let's move on to the second one. So for the second one, you can go to the hair again and search for the adorable cute K-pop side part doll honey blonde. It's a little bit long. Okay, you can just choose the one that you prefer. Here I'm going to use this one. Okay, now the next one, you can find the honey blonde twisty charm hair. Okay, this one in here, put it on. And the next one is honey blonde elegant over the shoulder hair. Okay, this one in here, you can just choose the right color for that match with the previous hair. Okay, this one in here, for example. Now let's move on to the last one. So for the last one, you can just still on the hair category in here, find this body bangs, updo dark brown. Okay, this one, I'm going to put on this one in here. Now head into clothing all and search for cute curtain bangs in brown color. So I'm going to use this one. Let's find the right color. Okay, this one in here. And now last one, the new side bangs in brown. This one in here. Okay, I'm going to use this one. And that's it. So that's the third hair combo for cute look in Berry Avenue. I hope this hair combo and tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one.